Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and Google's doing a little rebranding with the Fitbit app and renaming it Google Health, revamping it. They have a lot of really cool features, including a coach to help you through different workouts and different things, which we'll check out. But in this video, they have some new hardware as well under the Fitbit name. This is the Fitbit Air. They sent me the Stephen Curry Special Edition Fitbit Air, plus an extra band. We'll check both of these out. It does work in conjunction with your Pixel Watch as well, and yes, iOS and Android supported. We'll take a quick look what comes in the box and then of course get some hands-on with the brand new Fitbit Air from Google. Let's get started. Here is our screenless fitness tracker, the Fitbit Air, starting at $100. The Steph Curry edition is an extra $30 on top of that. They also sent the Fog band that we will add onto it, so I'll show you how to swap bands. Also, Google sent a couple really nice leather items from Royce. It's got some Google Health inscriptions. This will hold jewelry, watches, and this is actually more of a travel watch container, so to speak. Anyways, this also has that band already on it. Let's get to it. Your box might look a little bit different depending on the version that you get. This is their special edition. Sliding this out, Stephen Curry right there. Also, he personally signed this. This is actually ink. I'm just kidding. No, this is printed on. Sliding our box open, here is the special edition band. I think they call this rye in terms of color. We're going to set that to the side. We'll take a closer look at that in just a second, see what else we get. The Fitbit Air comes with a custom charger. Let's take this paper off. And there we go. So it's a two-prong charger. It does have a button up towards the top of it, and then obviously USB Type-C. And finally, letting you know how to actually charge it and just a standard getting started booklet. And on to what you came to see, the Fitbit Air. Even with the paper on this thing is so light, it's pretty crazy. Anyways, Stephen Curry, hashtag lock in. If you made it this far, lock in, watch the rest of this video. Google Fitbit Air Special Edition. Let's take off the Velcro part of it. And then you do have just sort of a loop, and we can take off this paper. Gotta be so cool to have a tech product in your name. There's just a nice little quote. Finally, aside from the band, here is the actual Air, taking off that piece of paper. So the Air itself really isn't the band, it's this piece of tech right there. And honestly, taking the Fitbit Air out of the band is as easy as just sort of pressing right there, and it pops right out. Close look at that Fitbit Air. Is crazy how tiny this thing is, and it tracks a lot. So flipping it over, there's all the sensors down at the bottom that will sit on your wrist. You get 24/7 heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, plus sleep, I assume step tracking, and more. And just so you can see, here's our Fog band, which you might just buy this version. There's a few different colors that you can choose from and a lot of different bands, but it's just so easy to pop in and out. And then once you have it on, just tighten it to where you want it to be. And there you go. So here's a first look at that Fog band with obviously our Fitbit Air actually touching our wrist. Taking that off, it's so easy to get on and off. And then if I wanted a quick swap, I just pop it right out. Let's grab our Steph Curry edition. And same exact thing you have to do. You just snap it on in and you're ready to go. Again, you know, the thing about these trackers is it's great when you work out, but you know, some of the workout bands, you might say, hey, I don't want to wear a suit at a wedding, but I still want to track my steps, all that good stuff. So you can quickly swap out these bands very easily, similar to your Pixel Watch 4. Very stylish and comfortable band, really easy to just get on and off and adjust how you need it. The inside of the band has some grip to it, so it's going to stay in place on your wrist. Also, quick mention, inside the band is Steph's number. Anyways, I plugged in the charger, and you don't have to take it out of the band to charge it. There's magnets, like I said, two-prong, and an LED status indicator to let you know that it's charging. Now let's get this set up. And like I mentioned, we'll use the new Google Health app to get everything set up. All set up and ready to go. Here's the Google Health app with a ton of information, sort of summarizes everything towards the top. I do have the premium subscription. One of the coolest things is having your own personal coach to analyze your sleep, your activity, and give you feedback and suggestions. So we can go into it, and it says, morning, ready to start your day. Too busy to work out, help me get back on track. I want to set up a goal for your health. I'm about to work out my back and arms plus run 2 miles. Can you set up a workout plan for this? And there you have it. They put together a full workout for us. So if we tap on it, here it is. Back, arms, and run session gives you information about it, 2-mile run, and gives you options for a workout for just back and arms. I didn't say anything specific. You can hit start workout. Looks like it gives you pictures or guidance. Oh yeah, gives you video examples, plus you can customize the reps and the weight that you're using. It's just so unique and cool. It can even automatically detect common activities like biking and golf. I'm going to use golf all the time, but even just things like walks, it'll track in real time. There's tabs at the bottom. Going to fitness is where you can run, walk, bike, strength, yoga. There's a lot of different options. You can create workouts. It shows your recent activities, different metrics, and same with sleep. Sleep score, duration, lets you know REM, wake, deep sleep. There's just so much, even restlessness, interruptions. And going over to the health tab will give you all of this data. Here's all the focus areas. Kind of crazy how much this little guy can track. But anyways, that is everything I want to talk about for now with the Fitbit Air. I'm going to have to do some more testing. Drop a comment. Let me know what you want me to check out and test overall. Here's just another quick look at just our fitness tracker right here. One more swap to the other band, snap it on in, put the band on. Just look at how fast it is to swap bands there. I'm ready for the day with a new band, but obviously I'm probably gonna stick with the Steph Curry special edition band most of the time. But anyways, that is it from me. Be sure to subscribe, a lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.